Hi, my name is Lance Weir. I'm new to the town of Austin. I'm a chainsaw artist. I do sculptures out of wood. Basically, I'm looking to make my mark here in town, and this is what I do. I've sculpted lions, eagles, a giraffe, an elephant, cranes, bears, of course. Everybody can do a bear. Use still chainsaw equipment, Husqvarnas, angle grinders, chisels, torches. Let's see, blue herring cranes I've done, and of course a giraffe. This is my first giraffe, so basically I can do anything that anybody could think of. If it can be carved, I can do it.